Hey everyone! Do you have that one friend who seems to glide through life with effortless organization? The one who can whip up a detailed itinerary for a weekend getaway, transform a cluttered room into a haven of peace, and manage their time very well? Well, congratulations, you might have a master organizer on your hands. Here are 5 signs to identify this amazing friend. Sign 1. Master organizers breathe by their calendars. Appointments, deadlines, even social gatherings, everything gets meticulously planned and often color-coded for easy visualization. They likely have a sophisticated reminder system in place, ensuring you never miss a dentist appointment again. Thanks, friend. Sign 2. Chaos? Not a word in their vocabulary. They possess a magical ability to transform messy spaces into serene, organized havens. Drawers are meticulously labeled, closets boast color-coordinated bliss, and everything has its designated place. They might even be the hero you never knew you needed, offering to tackle your overflowing junk drawer and bringing peace to your chaotic domain. Sign 3. Lists are their best friend. From meticulously crafted grocery lists to detailed to-do lists and even aspirational travel bucket lists, they thrive on the satisfaction of checking things off and witnessing their plans come to life. Bonus points if they love sharing these lists, not just to keep themselves organized, but to extend their organizational magic to your life as well. Sign 4. They are productivity ninjas. Whether they're conquering a mountain of studying for an exam or tackling a home improvement project, they possess a system for maximizing efficiency and minimizing wasted time. They approach tasks with a strategic plan, ensuring every minute is used effectively. You might even find yourself picking up a productivity tip or two from their masterful approach. Sign 5. When the world throws a curveball and things get hectic, they are the voice of reason you desperately need. They have a knack for assessing a situation with a cool head, delegating tasks with laser focus, and keeping everyone centered on the ultimate goal. They're the friend who helps you avoid a meltdown and transforms a stressful day into a well-oiled machine of accomplishment. So, do you recognize these signs in your amazing friend? If you do, consider yourself incredibly lucky. Master organizers are a gift, appreciate their organizational prowess and maybe even learn a little something from their structured ways. After all, a little bit of organization can go a long way in bringing peace and productivity to your own life. Thanks for watching.